Blowing a bubble with gum is fun and simple, and it's a skill that takes a little practice. I'm gonna just go over the know-how. Start by selecting a piece of bubble gum that's soft and stretchy. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna tell you how to do it. This is gonna make it easier to blow the bubble. Unwrap the gum, chew it thoroughly until it's soft and smooth. The key is to ensure that the gum is pliable and not too hard. Okay, or else you're gonna have a hard time. Once you chewed the gum for a few minutes, position it inside your mouth with the gum flat against your tongue. Okay? Push the gum to the roof of your mouth using your tongue and create a small pocket of air. As you press gently with your tongue, begin to slowly blow air into the gum. Make sure to blow gently at first to avoid bursting the bubble prematurely. If the air is blowing too quickly or forcefully, the gum might pop or become too thin. As the bubble forms, continue to push air into it while keeping control of the gum with your tongue. If done right, the bubble will grow large. If it pops, don't get discouraged, just try again. With practice, you're going to be able to blow bigger bubbles and more stable bubbles